हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आई एम योर करियर काउंसलर सावन चुड़ीवाल। आज दोस्तों हम बात करने जा रहे हैं नीट एडमिशन प्रोसेस के बारे में। जो डॉक्यूमेंट्स आपको लगते हैं नीट एडमिशन के लिए, तो आज हम महाराष्ट्र में जो डॉक्यूमेंट्स लगते हैं आपको नीट काउंसलिंग के लिए, मैं उसके बारे में आपको जानकारी देने जा रहा हूँ। तो नीट यूजी 2021 के चेक लिस्ट ऑफ डॉक्यूमेंट्स नेसेसरी फॉर एडमिशन टू अंडर ग्रेजुएट Health Sciences course for the year 2021-2022. The national for the particular courses MBBS, BDS, BMS, BHMS, BUMS, BPTH, BOTH, BSLP, BPO and BSc Nursing. ये सभी कोर्सेज के लिए ये पूरी इंफॉर्मेशन है। The National Entrance Cum Eligibility Test NEET UG 2021 course in all government or corporation or government aided, government unaided minority institute on the basis of merit list of the NEET UG 2021. The candidate need to upload original certificate at the time of registration and the same original document shall be submitted at the time of admission in a particular college which he is securing at the time of admission. The list of documents for reserved and unreserved category candidates, mandatory documents. Name of the documents. First document, admit card of NEET UG 2021. Second document, copy of online application form latest filled out on www.mahacet.org. Third document, NEET UG 2021 mark sheet. Fourth document, nationality certificate issued by district magistrate or additional district magistrate or metropolitan magistrate competent authority for issue of such certificate, or valid Indian passport or school leaving certificate of HSC 12th standard indicating the nationality of the candidate as Indian. Fifth document, domicile certificate issued by district magistrate, metropolitan magistrate, additional district magistrate or competent authority for issue of such certificate. Sixth document, HSC original examination mark sheet. Seventh, SSC passing certificate for date of birth. 8th, Aadhaar card. 9th, medical fitness certificate which will be prescribed in a particular format of NEET UG 2021 brochure of Maharashtra government. Additional necessary documents for candidates under constitutional category. जो भी constitutional reservation category में आते हैं उनके लिए additional documents है. First document, caste certificate issued by authority from within the state of Maharashtra. Second document, caste validity certificate. Third document, non-creamier certificate valid up to 31 March 2022 for VJ, NT1, NT2, NT3 and OBC including SBC category. Not required for SC and ST. Non-creamier is strictly not required for SC and ST category. Additional necessary documents for candidates under person with disability category. Disability certificate of authorized medical board as per NTA. Any certificate issued by authorities other than authorized medical board is not valid. For person with disability वाला certificate में ये valid नहीं रहेगा, प्लीज आप ध्यान रखिए. Additional necessary documents for candidates under EWS category. Recent eligibility certificate for EWS category issued by competent authority as per state government format. Copy of GR dated 12th February 2019. Certificate in central government format will not be accepted. State government का certificate ही लगेगा आपको, तो आप बिल्कुल ध्यान रखिए. Additional necessary documents for candidates under hilly area category. Domicile certificate of the parent stating that he or she is domiciled in the village declared as a hilly area specified in the table for the respective regions. The candidate should pass SSC or HSC or equivalent examination from school or junior college situated in the hilly area of his or her parent domicile, or if not so, at the most from a school or junior college situated in the taluka of his or her parent's domicile. Second, proof showing that candidate has passed SSC or HSC from the same tehsil or taluka in the hilly area of his or her parents domicile, that is SSC or HSC passing certificate of school leaving certificate. Additional necessary documents for candidates under Defense 1 category. Certificate of parent from Zilla Sainik Board. Second, domicile certificate of parent, it should be from within the state of Maharashtra. Additional necessary documents for candidates under D2 category. First, certificate of parent from competent authority from defense services stating that parent is serving as per Army, Navy, Air Force Act. Second, domicile certificate of parent, it should be from within the state of Maharashtra. Additional necessary documents for candidates under D3 category, that is defense 3 category. Certificate of parent from competent authority from defense services stating that parent is serving as per Navy, Army, Air Force Act and transferred and posted in the state of Maharashtra. Domicile certificate of parent other than Maharashtra is only accepted. Additional necessary documents for candidates under Maharashtra Karnataka border category, that is MKB category. Certificate, first document, certificate of candidate stating that he or she is from disputed area. Second, candidate's mother tongue is Marathi as per school record. Third, candidate has passed SSC or HSC from disputed area. So note, there is a very important note. It is the responsibility of the candidate to produce all the required documents with original from a particular stipulated time which is prescribed by the competent authority. Thank you very much for watching this video. So please like, share, subscribe our channel, and also do not forget to just click on the bell icon of Students Mantarana and hit the bell icon so that you can get all the notification in upcoming videos. Thank you very much.